Exercise 22. It's an exercise that involves finding x-intercepts of a function. The function g of x is defined above as the product between x plus 3, x minus 2, and 3x minus 4. Which of the following is not an x-intercept of the graph of the function in the xy plane? Well, let's try to do it by hand. The x-intercept is when y is 0. So when, for us, g of x is 0, which is equivalent to x plus 3 multiplied by x minus 2, and that multiplied by 3x minus 4 equals 0. We know that the product is equal to 0 when one of its factor equals 0 itself. So when either x plus 3 is 0, so x is negative 3, or when x minus 2 is 0, which means that x is 2, or when 3x minus 4 is 0, which means that x is 4/3. So these three values, negative 3, 2, and 4/3, are x-intercepts. But here we are trying to find the one that it's not. So it cannot be A, it cannot be C, it cannot be D, it has to be B. B, which is the point with coordinates negative 3, 4, and 0, is not the x-intercept.